Get ready with me with my everyday routine. Today I'm going to go out with my friends, so let's get ready. So first, I'm gonna shape the brows just a little bit, add a little bit more tint in it. I do use this Tude brow pencil, so I just got this from somewhere random, so I got the recommendation that was like really good from the person that was working there. She was like, oh, this is really popular where it's from, so I'm just like, oh, okay, I want to. Also, I will be going to a makeup class and they're gonna let me record, so if you want to come with me, come with me. Okay, I just bought this concealer. It's the Tear concealer. I don't know, I heard a bunch about it. I've not used it yet. This is my first time using it, but I've been looking for a concealer that was like not too like bright. It looks like it's not even, it didn't do nothing. Well, it did something, but you cannot tell that I have concealer on my face right now. Like, is the light not lighting? Oh, hold on, I gotta move it closer because you know. Because I'm gonna blend it, but see what I mean? You can barely see the concealer. This is low-key for a good touch-up, like, I'm not gonna lie. You don't see my bags, do you? I'm gonna use this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's put you closer. Okay, that's literally my skin. Like, that's crazy. So I put some concealer on my nose, on my bridge, under my mouth, and on my chin. Like, it looks like freaking skin. It's not even like on my forehead. But I don't know what happened to it. I don't feel like wearing foundation today, so I'm just gonna go with concealer. Cause like, I don't like wearing foundation every day. Like, that's a no. Like, concealer is good enough. Like, especially when your skin does not look that bad. There's no need. And a little bit on my eyelid because my eyelid is not matching. I don't usually do makeup videos, but I decided like I should start doing makeup videos. I should start making makeup videos. But now here I am. I'm starting to follow my dreams and do YouTube, I guess. I am gonna like arch my eyebrows a little bit because like, why not? Because I don't want these, let's just look like we did something to them for real. That's all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. Come my angel, come and save me. Doesn't look even. I feel like my eyebrow right here looks up on this side and looks down on this side. Like, am I tripping or am I telling the truth? Anyways, okay. And then when it comes to like my brows, I like to use a brush to blend them out. Just just add a little arch right here. I like thin brows. Like, naturally my eyebrows are very bushy and I don't hate them. It's just like, I like my brows when it looks like clean and arched. Like, so I use this palette. It's a little dingy. But I broke it, okay? I broke it. I need to buy a new palette. But I don't know what kind of palette this is. I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. I got this palette off Temu. Oh, and I got my makeup brushes off the move. Go, like, go play with her. Go right here. Cause like, that's what I always like, do with my makeup. I don't do too much. Like, I don't want anything like that's crazy. Okay, and then like under, I like to go under my eyes like this with my eyeshadow. Okay, now I go with this blush I got from Fashion Nova. Okay, I like to go like up a little bit on my blush so I can go closer to my eye. And then I like to go on my nose. Now I'm going with some eyeliner because I like using eyeliner. I got this eyeliner from God knows where, but I did not. I got it in person, I remember. So I'm just gonna it's a really good eyeliner. And I would like literally get it again if I knew where I got it. Guys, remember where you get your stuff because just look at it. Now I'm gonna use this. Oh, if you guys don't know, I really like Fui, okay? So I'm gonna use this after my blush. After my blush, I use Fui and I go with like a brush, just a glossy, and around my nose just to get that look. Just to make my makeup not look dry, bro. It just get that glowy look. Oh my god. Now I'm going in my room and lip tint. Cause to all my black girls watching this. Okay, I'm about to get dressed, guys. So I'll see you in my next video.